This compound binocular microscope offers a wide magnification range from 40 times to 2,000 times, giving clear views of everything from basic classroom slides to more advanced cellular detail. Dual upper and lower LED illumination, each with its own brightness control, makes it easy to switch between opaque specimens like coins and transparent prepared slides without losing clarity. The substantial double-layer mechanical stage with precise scale markings and smooth coaxial coarse and fine focus knobs allows very accurate positioning and refocusing on tiny areas of a sample. A comfortably angled binocular head with adjustable spacing between the eyepieces helps reduce neck and eye strain, so longer observation or study sessions feel much more manageable. High-quality wide-field eyepieces paired with achromatic objectives provide a sharp, evenly bright image across the field of view, which is especially helpful for students and serious hobbyists learning fine detail work. The included accessories and mobile phone compatibility make it simple to start using the microscope right away and to capture photos or videos of specimens for homework, lab reports, or sharing at home.